Shafishuna, who hails from the Oshipoto village in the Omusati region, is no stranger to innovation. Last year, he made headlines in the media after he designed an aircraft. The grade 6 dropout from the Oshipoto Combined School this time designed an electricity transformer which generates electricity from sand, salt, water, spirit, and papers.
To bring up this electricity, I used a lot of things. Firstly, I cooked the sand and salt in the pot. After that, I designed bricks made out of the mixture. Then I took papers and cooked them for 3 days and also made bricks, which I put radio magnets in them so it's able to suck energy from the cables. After that, I took spirits and chemical things that I mixed and cooked. Then I started measuring the current of the electricity produced from these mixtures. After that, I had to study the circulation of the electricity. I connected bulbs, but when I switched on, all the bulbs burned totally.
After that first experiment, Shafishuna realized that he was producing electricity of high voltage that needed to be filtered. He did so by using an iron zinc coated with paint made from the chemical mixture.
Currently, as we speak, this is the electricity I use back home at the village since March this year. I have not experienced any problems, and I service the transformer on a regular basis. It works nicely, and I even use it to weld things at home.
Shafishuna expressed his disappointment at government and the private sector for not supporting young people who are trying to contribute to the country's development.
What makes me worry is that most of us have experienced an inborn talent, but there is no support at all. That's why you see people committing crime. Imagine you ask here and there for support, but no one is willing to help you. As people in this country are just stealing and drinking alcohol because they've given up on their dreams, they can develop the country.
But he is not alone in this venture. Lao Lange Shifa is a mechanical fitter graduate from the Windhoek Vocational Training Center and helped Shafishuna to assemble the transformer. However, the innovators are in desperate financial need to expand the project.
What we're doing, it's actually something that can put our country in a map, that can actually uplift our youth, that can create more employment for our youth and for our following graduates. I mean, as we can see, people are just in the street, no jobs, right? Actually, we can actually make something big out of this. So we actually need sponsors. We need people to help us. We need government, not always the government. Actually, we need private sector and government as well to look into this and see how we can take this together up to a different level.
Shafishuna says his innovations will not end here, as only the sky is the limit while he's living his passion. Chula Nafuka, NBC News, Windhoek.